Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Honda CR-V SX, all-wheel drive, 1.6-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 36,000 kilometers mileage, complete casa maintenance record, original documents, LTO verified, good condition, 7-seater, ending plate 5, push start button, keyless entry, drive modes, eco and normal, airbags, dual front, sides at curtains, touchscreen head unit, panoramic sunroof, leather and power seats, AP racing brake caliper, 1 set-tain shock absorber, 18-inch K37 mags, cash price, 1,278,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 255,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2020 model Hyundai Accent GL, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 14,000 kilometers mileage, original documents, first owned, LTO verified, good condition, ending conduction 5, all power, all stock, all original, cash price, 478,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 99,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2022 model Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLS, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 15,000 kilometers mileage, original documents, first owned, LTO verified, good condition, ending plate 7, keyless entry, push start stop engine, all power, all stock, all original, dual airbag, touch screen monitor, navigation system, very cool aircon, cash price, 578,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 115,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. 2019 model Chevrolet Trax LS, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 9,000 kilometers mileage, original documents, first owned, fuel efficient, almost new condition, ending plate 1, all stock, all original, dual front and side airbags, cash price, 578,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 115,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.